Many viewers may not realize that I'm the one who actually physically goes and gets the plants, picks them out, specs them. I want to know exactly what we're getting on the job, what size it is, what health and shape it's in. And a few handfuls of starter fertilizer to promote root growth. This will stay on all winter to give us winter interest, especially in snow or ice. It really glistens.
It looks better than anything I could ever imagine, Roger.
Good job.
Oh, all right.
Hits the post. Oh. Can't you just see a nice Japanese maple here surrounded by bulbs early in the spring? Nice ball, perfect.
Whoa! Oh, Roger, that was awesome.
Now that's a great way to dig a trench.
Well, you're not kidding.